Hi guys, hope you all are fine. Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel for new videos. I am back with another new video. I took a tea filter. I cut its side part. We use only its round part. You know, these are some ribbon. I cut some ribbon from it. Now I attach the ribbon on it. I twisted it like this. I twisted it obviously very evenly. Similarly, I made other two parts also. And now I use some glue on it and attach them each other. It's look like a picture, right? Now I took some thin ribbon in its middle part. You know, it's a waste cardboard. Now I attach the picture on the cardboard. And when it's dry, I cut the cardboard side part. I cut it with the picture shape. Now I took a hairband and some woolen yarn. I twisted the yarn on the hairband. And it's done. Now I took some hairband. These are very available at low price. I took one band and cut it. Now I am making it like a snail. I use a bottle cork. I cut the cork evenly like this. You can follow me. Now I open it and made it like a sunflower. You can make it any type of shape you need. Now I attach the bent snail middle on the cork flower. And now I use some white knobs and attach the knobs beside the bent round part. Look how beautifully I made the flowers. Similarly, I made some flowers. Now I arrange the flower on the bent part. Any type of way you need. In the blank part, I arrange some knobs on it. You can use any type of knobs you need. Now I arrange it beside the picture. You can arrange some flower in it like me. And you can try it in your home. Hope you love it. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit the like button and obviously don't forget to share your friends. Bye bye.